I'm going to show you what comes in the pack with your La Specialista Maestro. Portafilter. This holds the coffee baskets. These are two single wall filter baskets. One that is a 12 gram dose for a single cup and one that is a 21 gram dose for a double cup. Milk jug and latte crema system for creating your perfect velvety textured milk. Descaling solution and descaling accessory to keep your machine functioning at its best. Cleaning brush for cleaning underneath the coffee funnel. Your coffee cleaning disc. Put this into your coffee basket to clean the machine, and always make sure you remove the cleaning disc from the filter basket before making a coffee. A water hardness test to determine the hardness of your water. And finally, the power cord. It's also a good idea for the care and maintenance of your machine to use a DeLonghi water filter or the DeLonghi soft balls. These will help give you good quality water and help combat limescale. These are sold separately. All of these accessories will aid you in making amazing coffee for you to enjoy.